back to my channel. I have some super exciting news that I want to share with you all today. I have finally decided to become a travel agent. Yes, I'm finally a travel agent. Maybe you've asked me before, have you ever thought about being a travel agent, or how come you're not a travel agent? Because I get that a lot. And honestly, I just wanted to do my research. I thought about this for quite some time, and I wanted to make sure I had enough personal travel experience. So the last few trips that I've taken to Disney, I had it in the back of my head to, pay attention to the details of the parks and get a few more resorts in and stuff like that. So I just really wanted to make sure that I had enough experience before I took the plunge. Why don't people use travel agents when they take a vacation? Well, let me point out that the most important thing is my services are going to be 100% free to you. Whether you're going to Disney or taking a cruise, or you're going to Universal, or you are taking a Royal Caribbean cruise, anything. My services are going to be free to you. So you're going to be paying your price of your vacation, and you're going to be paying that price anyways. Why not just have a little help on the side to help guide you through? I will keep you up to date on any special deals or promotions and make sure that I can apply those for you. Say you're going to Disney World and free dining comes out. Maybe you're not tracking when free dining comes out, and I'm going to be. That's my job, so I will make sure to get you the best deal. I will make your fast passes for you. I will make your dining reservations for you. I'll do as little and as much as you would like me to do. That's just part of the deal. So I do specialize in Disney destinations, so I have training in Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, Adventures by Disney, and Aulani. As I said, I can also do things such as like Universal, Royal Caribbean cruises, Norwegian cruises, pretty much anywhere you want to go. I'm your girl. I will help you get there, and I will guide you along the way. So I'm going to leave all my contact information down below, whether it's my Facebook group, Instagram, my email. If you need to get in touch with me, please email me. I will leave that down below. And yes, of course, I'm still going to be doing these videos, and you're going to be seeing quite a bit more, probably. I will continue to vlog. I will continue to share my Disney knowledge and any tips or whatever's out there. I also have a few Disney subscription boxes coming up that I'm going to unbox. Those will be fun. And yeah, I feel really blessed to be at the agency that I'm working with. I'm working alongside a wonderful group of ladies who have a ton of knowledge and a ton of experience. And I've used this agency many times in my own personal bookings before. I think it's a wonderful idea to use a travel agent if it's your first trip, or your third trip, or your 10th trip. And of course, I want to share again that my services are 100% free. There is no extra charge to use my services. I'm here for you. Think of me as like your little fairy godmother that's on your shoulder at all times. And I really enjoy planning people's vacations. Even before I was a travel agent, I was helping family and friends, guide them along the way with any advice that I had about their Disney vacations especially, and just seeing them get there and knowing that I helped them with a little bit of advice, maybe a recommendation, that just made me really happy to see them. So any vacation that I'm booking, I know I'm going to treat it as if it was my own, and it's just something really special to me. I love to travel, and I just feel blessed to be able to do this, and I'm really excited. So if you are thinking about a vacation, whether it's anywhere, but I do specialize in Disney, I'm a Disney girl, then just please let me know, send me an email. Oh, and another thing, maybe you've recently booked a trip to Disney and you are now deciding, oh, maybe I should use a travel agent. As long as you booked that within 30 days, just let me know. I can certainly have that transferred over, and I can help you through that.